Hi, hello, welcome back to the new video. Unlike me, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be talking about completion of secret submission application. This is the level 6 authentication. Here, we give the user an additional functionality such as submitting his own secret. That's that is all about this application, right? So, first things first, when the user log into his account, that is Swati, and Swati logged into her account, you can see that the her secret is that I've killed three people with my looks. So this isn't her mistake, I guess. This is my this is that three people's mistake after all. So now that you can see that her own secret that's been entered by her, and if she wanted to change her secret, so that is I've got okay. I've killed three people with my legs, but that is their mistake to fall for me. So when she changed that, so that's the secret will become her own secret now. So this is how she can enter and modify and view her secret. So now that you can see, let's go back. So now that you can see that, let's go to the secret page so that I've been able to go to the secret route because my session is still there. You can see that you in the previous videos I talked about cookies, sessions, environment variables. So let me show you the session of her. In the application you can see her cookie and session expired date as well. So this is the output that we are aiming for. And finally, what I wanted to tell you is if a user is newly registered, for example, Swapna at the rate of gmail.com, logged into her account, not registered, you can see that her default secret will be Ajay is my hero. So this is output we are aiming for by this end of this video. So with that in mind, let's go and check out the users database. In here you can see in users table I have added the new column which is called secrets, and the query that I have used, which is alter table name is secrets, table name is users, add column name is secrets, and data type is text. That's the query. Let me show you which is over here. This is a query that I have used to add new column into my table. So hope you understand in here. So I'll add new functionalities into the application of secret submission. So here we're not using any new packages, so we don't need to go to the what is called packages. And there were total three to do's for you to do, for me to do. So here first things, I've got to add a new submission route, I mean get route for go to that route. So here you can go to the index dot, I mean submit.ejs web page that I have created over here. You can see, and here in the page there there's an input which asks the user to enter the secret and hashtag and p tag as well. Don't keep your secrets, share them anonymously, okay? And we're gonna access this input by using body parser and by accessing the name. I'll show you how. So render this page. If he is not authenticated, and he'll go to the redirect himself into the login route. So hope this is understandable. And you can also see that there we got to do is to post. So submit post route also we need to create. Um, so which is asynchronous, so I've used async and await. And over here I've accessed the user input by body parser, which is secret that I have showed, right? And also try and catch block. And here await function, here I'm updating the user input if the user, if that was null or any secret that's going to be updated into the new version of secret that's been entered by the user right now. And we're going to be accessing the user email, that particular user email. And we're going to be updating by using this query, which is update user stable, and set the secret is going to be the uh, the secret that's been entered by the user, and where email is the user's email, by using body parser request user and email. Okay. And finally we're going to be redirect himself into the secret route so that he can view his secret. And if that was, any error, we can show the error in the catch block. And finally, we got to render the secret to the user, into the secret page, right? So that he can view his secret. And in the secrets route, get route, and here, authenticated or not, we're gonna check. If he's not, and allow himself to the login. And if he is authenticated, we got to go to the try and cache block. In try block, access the user info and and his secret. And the secret is gonna be, you know go to the, render himself into the index.e, secret.ejs, and also pass the secret that's been entered by the user, or the secrets which is stored in that table by the name of the user. you know it can be null or some secret. If there's secret, we are gonna render himself to the secrets.ejs and also pass the secret. If there isn't any secret, we're gonna give a default secret that's being already shown to you, which is Ajay. Ajay is my hero. So if there's any error, we're gonna show it to the user. So this is the output that we are. This is the functionality that I have added into my secret submission application. So hope this is understandable to you. So you can see I have created a new account which is Swapna, and her secret is, unfortunately null now. And if I try to, you know go to log out and log in to the Swapna, and I'm not, inserting the data that is Ajay is my hero into the table, right? I'm just showing it to the user, not enter or inserting the data into the database. So that's why it's showing null. Even if it's showing that Ajay is my hero. So don't get confused. So now, okay, so now logged in, and Google telling me to change the password because that's too obvious. So I'm gonna submit a new secret. Allow allow I mean allow file number. Okay, submit. So I have submitted, and I gone. Here you can see that the sub secret that's been entered by her is going to be shown here. So that's it. I hope this is understandable. And finally, what I wanted to tell you is this is the last video from the security and authentication module. So I've been ending this module. So hope this module is helpful to you. As always, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and like my video. And finally, what I wanted to show you is a quote. So over here, which is, it has been proven in many curricula that you can make up the difference by learning and consolidating the basics regardless of the initial gap. The first step was to build the basics and learn to apply them to yourself. So I'm going to give a new quote into my new videos. So hope those were going to helpful to you as well, because those were helpful to me. That is why hope this is recording. If it is not, everything that I have done is gonna be waste. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you all in the next. I'll see you all in the next video. So with a new module. That's it. Bye then.